My name is Erik Ekstrom, and I'm one of the interventionists, and I have a background in physical medicine and rehab. And my role here is, again, to do predominantly either injections or work hard in clinic. Maybe one of the unique things that I bring into how I practice is this doesn't have to be a negative experience. And I admit I'm kind of a half glass full kind of guy, but we can use that in clinic and injections. We can still have fun. We can still, enjoy the moment, even though, we're dealing with something that, might be an issue of pain or of disability. And perhaps in the way I work this, I can get people to track still into a good experience. And I think that's one of the unique things about how I work. Well, I actually started college as a music major, but didn't want to become a music teacher. So I did get the minor, but I got into dietetics, actually. So my background is food and nutrition. And that walked me into the clinical world. But after that, I got a master's in exercise physiology and considered a research track, but always fell back into where I really fit was as a clinician. And so I used that nutrition and exercise background and got into medicine and then medical school. As most of my patients and staff know, usually I try to bike to work. So with that, I can get about a 100-mile base every week. And cycling and being active is so important to me. And I think my patients and of course my staff hear about that too. I get that. Wintertime, I got a wagon, so you'll find my cross-country skis. I got a couple different pairs in the back seat, and so if I'm not cycling in the wintertime, I'm skiing, and then after that, it's family time. I have 3 kids. They're all active. They're fun. They're a hoot. My wife, she's actually emergency medicine doc, and so between her and the whole deal, we seem to have a lot of fun. And along with that, I have a huge Swedish family, and which I've just been blessed with. And so annually, I do trek to Sweden. All I got to do is show up and eat, which I'm very skilled at. And I have just this wonderful family over there that we're almost weekly in communication with.